Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle. In this edition of today's newspaper on Tuesday, August the 8th, 2023. And I've already solved 3 puzzles: Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, and the binary. So one puzzle is left. That's the Tectonic with 4 stars. Sometimes they call this puzzle a jigsaw puzzle, but in Dutch they call it cipher block, in Japanese Suguru. And this one will be number 6890. Yeah, 6890. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 18 printed digits. Should be an easy one, because the hard ones has always 8, 9 or 10 printed digits. This one has 18, but it's indicated with 4 stars, and for 4 stars puzzle I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know, we'll see. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box or boxes? Because the single box is always a 1. No single boxes in this puzzle. Then do we have here dual boxes? Contains the 1 and the 2. No dual boxes in this puzzle. Next question, do we have triple boxes then? I see here triple box, there triple box, and here triple box. Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, the 2 is already given in this triple box, so the 1 and the 3 are left. Let me mark those. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always a 4 or a 5. Well, here is already filled in, the 4. So the other side should be also 4 or a 5. Here we have a triple box. Well, this box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, and other 2 numbers could be everywhere. And when you see a triple box, remember that the box near the middle box is always 4 or a 5. Well, it cannot be a 5 anymore. We have a 5 in the same area, so this box should be a 4 then. And we have another one here, contains the 1, the 2, and 3. Well, those numbers could be everywhere. And the inside box told you 4 or a 5. Alright. Next question, do we have here quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and the 4. I see here a quadra box. The 3 and the 4 is already filled in, so the other 2 numbers should be the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes. And the next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me start with with this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 4 here. Okay. So this box has the same number as that box. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? No, only 1. And then the following shape, how about the T shape? Let me draw the T shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box, but also that box has the same number as this box. In this case, it's 1 or a 3 here. Okay. So that box has the same number as this box. Okay. Only 1 T shape. Then the following shape, how about the L shape? Upside down. We have here the L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Alright. Only 1 L shape. And the last shape, I believe, this shape, let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember, that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4 shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. Maximum are 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 4 that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. Alright, these 3 boxes surround the 5 can be a 5. So 1 box left for the 5 in this T-shaped area should be there. Alright, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Well, I cannot place the 3 there because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So, not a solution to place the 3 there. The 3 is supposed to be here. These 2 boxes can be 3. That box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 3. That box can be a 3. So 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. This box can be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Yeah. Need to think. These 3 boxes surround the 4 can be 4. So the 4 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Not easy this one. These 2 boxes can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area, from us 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. That means that these 2 boxes can be a 3 in this T-shaped area. So 1 box left for the 3 in this T-shaped area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 3. 1 box left in this triple box for number 1. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and 3 in this triple box. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 1 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 1 can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Then. Yeah. Need to think. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be can it be a 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 2 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 2. We have a 2 here, so this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area from this 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes can be 2. Those 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, that box can be a 3, and this box can be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. Let me mark those 1 and 4, 1 and 4. Yeah. Let me see, these 2 boxes can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area, should be there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, so 2 numbers left for numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area, should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and a 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 4, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 2, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. This box can be a 2, that box can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 1, we have a double 1 there. If I place 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. And that box can be a 1, so the 1 it goes together with the 2 as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So the other pair in this area should be the numbers 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 4 and 5, 4 and 5. Then let me see. I think this box should be a 2, because can be 1, should be a 2, can be 3, can be 4, can be 5, yes, definitely 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. Let me mark those 1 and 5, 1 and 5. Then let me see. Can it be a 2, can it be a 1, can it be 5, can it be 5? I think this box should be a 3, because it can be a 1, can be a 5, it's in the same area, can be a 4, and can it be a 2? We have a double 2 there, so 1 digit left, should be the 3, is connected with that box, should be as well a 3. Alright, 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. And then these 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box can't be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes, so this box should be a 2, and 1 box left in this quarter box for number 1. Now we have 1 there, so this box can't be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. 1 and a 5, we have a 1 now, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 5 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 5 now, so this box should be a 4, so 2 numbers left in this area for us 2 and the 5, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yes, definitely a 5. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5, yes, definitely a 4. Then these 2 boxes surround the 3, can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. This box can be a 2, and this box can be a 3, so the 2 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So I've eliminated the 1 here, so the 1 goes here. We have a double 3 here. That means that this box cannot be a 3 anymore. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. Not the solution place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So it's not the solution placed 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and the 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 or a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 or a 2, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 or a 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 2 goes there. Finishing 14 minutes. Well, told you, cannot be a 4 stars. It should be a 1 star. Because I'm faster than 50 minutes and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. and have a great and fantastic Tuesday. We will meet again tomorrow on Wednesday. Until then, bye bye for now.